Okay, hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to AWS This Week. We've got loads of awesome announcements this week, including that Amazon EKS is now generally available, and there's a new service called Server Fleet Management at Scale.
There's also a great new enhancement to the Poly WordPress plugin. Amazon Neptune is now in general availability, and we announce our Guru of the Week.
I'm Ryan Kroonenberg.
And I'm Faye Ellis.
And you're watching AWS This Week.
Elastic Container Service for Kubernetes, or EKS, is now in general availability, and this allows you to run containerized applications on Kubernetes using AWS, but without having to provision and maintain your own infrastructure. It's also multi-AZ, which eliminates any single point of failure, and you can use all of the existing tooling and plugins already available within the Kubernetes community, which makes it really easy to get started.
So there's a new service called Server Fleet Management at Scale, and it basically combines both AWS Systems Manager and AWS Inspector into one service. And you can apply patches, updates, and config changes across fleets of servers. You can perform OS patch audits as well as security vulnerability scans. What's really cool about this service is it can be used both with EC2 as well as on-premise.
There is a great new announcement to the Poly WordPress plugin. So this plugin can now convert written WordPress content into multilingual audio using Amazon Translate. And this is going to be great for all the WordPress bloggers out there, enabling you to reach a much wider audience by offering audio versions of your content in multiple languages.
So Amazon Neptune is now generally available, and Neptune is a graph database service. So what is a graph database service? Well, graph databases are built to store and navigate relationships, and they're used for social networking, recommendation engines, and fraud detection, where you need to create relationships between data and quickly query these relationships. So why couldn't you do this with a relational database? Well, you would need multiple tables with multiple foreign keys, and SQL queries to navigate the data would require nested queries and complex joins. So it's really difficult to do this using traditional relational databases. So Neptune uses graph structures to represent and store data, and this allows data in nodes to be directly linked, dramatically improving the performance of queries that navigate these relationships. So on to Guru of the Week, and the correct answer this week was A, and the winner for this week's question goes to Alex Tassoulis. Alex, hopefully I've pronounced your name correctly. Alex is a platform engineering lead at On The Dot in London.
So congratulations to Alex. You can expect a Cloud Guru t-shirt, sticker and hand-signed card in the post. And you are also in the draw to win a free ticket to reInvent 2018.
Which reminds me, next week is 1 year exactly since we started doing AWS This Week. And to celebrate, we're going to announce the winner for the free ticket to reInvent on next week's show. So this is the very last opportunity you'll get for this year to answer the question. Please see the link below. It is now live on our Facebook page.
And that's all from us. You've been watching AWS This Week.
Keep being awesome, Cloud Gurus.
And we'll see you next time.